The shaft of the shin bone is triangular in shape. It contains three surfaces: medial, lateral, and the posterior surface, and three borders: anterior, medial, and interosseous border. To have a better understanding, assume that this triangle is the cross-sectional view of the tibia shaft. The three corners of this triangle correspond to each border, and in between the two borders, surfaces are present. Between the anterior and lateral border, the lateral surface is situated because that faces laterally. The medial surface is sandwiched between anterior and medial border. The posterior surface lies between the medial and the lateral border. On the posterior surface of the shaft, there are three important bony landmarks. It contains a line called the soleal line to which soleus muscle is attached. Above the soleal line, a triangular area is present which provides attachment to the popliteus muscle. And below this line, the presence of a vertical ridge gives attachment to flexor digitorum longus.